Welcome to secret number 1 video training. So in a moment, I'm going to share with you the secret number 1, but in the meantime, just want to let you know that secret number 1, 2, and 3 covers all the basic fundamentals of what you need to get yourself started in the online world. And so if you are a complete beginner, this is absolutely perfect for you. And if you're somebody who's a bit experienced and has been on the journey already, this is also perfect for you because I'm just going to cover the basic strategies that you need to know to get yourself moving. All right, to start off, so let me get my share screen ready. Okay, I hope everybody can see my screen. Okay. So we're going to start off with talking about what is affiliate marketing. For those who do not know, so basically you are partnering with companies to promote their products. So you'll be, end of the day, you'll be an affiliate for their product. You will make a commission when someone buys the product through your link. So you're recommending. So this is the word I want to use. Recommend. So when you recommend a product, it's actually not selling, you're just recommending, promoting that product. Your only job is to find people with a problem that you can solve for them. And when people buys the product to solve their problem, that's when you get a sale, right? So if we look at the diagram, promote your affiliate program on your website or on your social media to get your traffic, and you share your affiliate link on to whatever video you're making, your bio, or any of your social media pages. And once they click on the product or the link, they visit their website, and if they decide to buy, they make a purchase, and your link, because they're using your link, it can be tracked. And when it's tracked, the product you're actually recommending from that supplier or from that program, you get paid a commission. So for example, Amazon affiliate program, let's say you decided you want to do pet food, pet toys, dog toys. You go to their categories, choose your product, and you start creating content around dogs, and you get people who is interested in your page, follows you, and you recommend the dog toy while doing your video, and that's when you get paid, when somebody sees the dog toy and decided to buy from Amazon. So you get paid from Amazon. So I hope you're with me so far with this little model that we're using. You just got to remember, this is really important. People buy products to solve their problem. So you have to identify the problem and create content around it. So for example, I was talking about dog toys. So dog toys entertain dogs, and pet owners love their dogs. So the problem there is pet owner want to entertain the dogs to keep them happy, so that the owner will be happy. That solve their problem. So the dog will play with the toy themselves or leave the pet owners alone. So there's always problems around things. That's what products solve. For example, me, I promote the 7-figure accelerator. So with that, I figured out a problem, which is beginners always wanting to find an online business to get into, but without the hassle of doing funnels, email marketing. I'm looking for those people. So when I find those people, I will recommend them the 7-figure and solve their problem for them, because it helps them start their online journey so that they can get out of a 9-to-5 job or have a little bit more money so that they can spend it on their kids, bring their kids up for holidays. Just something for them to start. I'm here to teach you guys the correct way to do it, because most affiliate or most people out there just try to promote to everyone. But when you promote to everyone, there's no one. To sell to the right people or promote to the right people, you need to know who your audience is. So for me, my audience is affiliate marketers or a beginner who wants to start their online journey. So we can see that the affiliate marketing model is a very, very straightforward business, because you don't really need experience for it. You don't need to create a product and start having inventory or fulfilling the product, because all is done for you, right? You don't have to answer customer's phone call or returns, right? There's no customer service. And you really don't need to be tech savvy, because this is a very simple business model to start. Because these are all handled by the company we partner with, right? Like I said in the previous slide, your job is just to find an audience and promote it to them and solve their problem. So this is why I am pretty much 100% convinced that this is the best business model out there. Because after trying so many different business models, I will find that this is the best way for any beginners to start. Because end of the day, you don't have to worry about anything else, just purely on marketing. You're learning marketing. With that, you are able to promote anything in the future because marketing structure is pretty much the same for any products that you're going to sell, recommend, or maybe create in the future. But this is the best way for beginners to start learning marketing. And like I said, this is one of the easiest business model to start. While you're in a full-time job, which was what I was doing, and this will enable you to work while in your 9 to 5, which what I was doing after work, creating content. And I want you to have the same information that I got so that we can cut short your time instead of using so many hours out there just to figure it out yourself. Just wanted to quickly run through this with everyone. It took me a while to understand this. There's two types of affiliate marketing, the low ticket or the high ticket. So the low ticket is anywhere $400 and below. We're talking about US dollars right now. And high ticket versus high ticket is $400 and above. You can see here that these are all low ticket when I first started, because I just wanted to try things out. And you can see there's a dollar here, mostly a dollar, and then here you got the $18, $24, $23. So that was my start of my affiliate marketing business journey. And after that, after I found out about high ticket, I was like, man, this is amazing. So imagine having to sell 1,000 sales to make $1,000. All I have to do is sell one, get one sale and make $1,000, right? I was on the high ticket side when I first started. You can see here I made $1,000. I've received 1,100, and here I got, you can see that I've made $900, and it's just amazing when I found out about this. And this enabled me to quit my job. But my first 30 days, I made about $5,000, which is one of the best time I ever had. And I'm also grateful for that. And this will lead you to the first secret that I'm going to share with you right now. Secret number one, high ticket sales require the same effort as low ticket sales. I repeat that. High ticket sales require the same effort as low ticket sales. Like I said, do I want to sell 1,000 times to get $1,000 of $1? Or I sell one time, I get 1,000. Here I break down the maths for you. If I have a $5 commission, I need 200 sales to get 1,000. $500 product, all I need is 2 person to buy to get 1,000. If I've got the straightforward $1,000 commission product, high ticket, all I need is that one sale to get $1,000. And imagine if we do 10 sales at 1,000, that is $10,000, guys. Look at the maths. What I'm really recommending to you guys is start with high ticket rather than low ticket, because it just requires the same effort. That is the end of the first video with our first secret. I'm looking forward to the next video where I'm going to break down how to choose a product. See you in the next video.